Hello, welcome to this video where we're going to look at how we can make maths resources quickly, efficiently and accessible. My name's SJ and this video is part of the Equatio in the Classroom series. Here in this online quiz, my students have mainly answered this question incorrectly. I'm going to use the Equatio screenshot reader to capture this particular question.
2/5 plus 1/3.
My students can also use the screenshot reader to make the maths accessible. For me as a teacher, using these three dots here opens the More Options menu, and I'm going to select Copy LaTeX. Don't worry if you're not familiar with LaTeX, we're just going to copy it in this case. Here in this Google Doc, I want to create a bank of questions for my students, so we can really start to tackle this one that they got wrong. I'm going to select the LaTeX editor and I'm going to paste in that copied maths. I can change the colour on this and I can insert it into my document. I can now select it, edit the maths and adjust the figures to increase or decrease the level of difficulty for my students. From any web page, we can use the screenshot reader in Equatio to make the maths accessible, capture that maths and then make it editable. This means that we can then differentiate and create new resources for our students. This video is part of the Equatio in the Classroom series, full of hints and tips to help you get started using Equatio in your classroom.